Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty. Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine. Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails. This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish. Now, we are going to be using rhinestones for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of nail rhinestone glue for nails.
First of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me if I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Ooh, say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks. At home, saving money, self-care nails, and finished. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
goosebumps every time. I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too young, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.
Throw that to